is the Tiny Feet car playmat. This was the first thing that I designed and one of my most loved toys. So it comes in this, everything is all in this little easy to carry package, and then it unfolds and all the little activity pieces snap together to stand up. So this is a great little activity that you can take with you if you're going on a road trip, if you're going camping. It fits perfectly on an airplane tray table too, so for long airplane rides, family vacations. There's storage over here for 3 little cars, and then you can drive them around. I love going over the overpass here. You can fill up at the gas station, drive under the overpass, there's a traffic light. This is really fun to just promote creative, imaginative play in kids. It helps them work on their language development as well as social skills. And check out this little car wash. There's actually water in there, and you can ride your little car through. There's a little mechanic's garage where you can fix. I love watching kids just play with these and hearing their little stories and what they say. It's so sweet. I love toys like this without any batteries. Travel friendly, so you can fold it up and take it with you wherever you go. You can check it out and order one at tinyfeet.com.